Fourth video related to IDS IPS, and here in this video I'll be discussing how do IPS work. Okay, here this IPS simply scan all the network traffic, and the following attack can be prevented using this one, like a DOS attack, distributed denial of service, and next one is exploits, worms, virus. Everything it will clear it. And how this will do, simply inspect every packet and terminate. So if malicious packet arriving, automatically it will terminate TCP session. Okay, this way it will never allow any malicious packet inside. And this also have capacity to reprogram, reconfigure firewall. Okay, so that any new kind of malicious activity arriving, this will configure it. Okay, and it also finally remove malicious content. And what are the types of prevention system there? Like IDS, it is signature based, anomaly, and policy based. Okay, and next one is example for such ideas is next generation firewall. And for network based example, IPS is border guard, and then host based IPS is app defend. Okay, and finally, and we want to know, okay, what are the difference between IPS and IDS. Okay, as we know, it will simply IDS monitor, not alert network packet. Which mean simply, sorry, not alter network packet. Okay, which mean this never automatically delete any packet. Simply alert the admin, and do not take action, because simply it will alert the admin. And since further such a malicious activity response has to done by some human being or tool, so it is such a limitation. But if you are going for IPS, it is automatically responds it, and for that it is said to be control system, and it will deliver packet based upon content. If it is malicious, it won't allow. Okay, and this will take action immediately if any malicious packet arriving. And also it require simply, in IDS we need human or a tool to destroy such a malicious activity. But here if suppose new threads are coming, so then it will automatically ask to update thread data. Okay, that is we want to do. So otherwise it is a best system. Okay, and I stop here. Thank you for watching.